You're looking for a stylish, eco-friendly bag that can fit your everyday needs? Let's dive into some of our top picks from Fluf. First up is the Fluf zipper lunch bag. This is the Fox graphic design, and this is the vintage burgundy color. This lunch bag is perfect for kids or adults and has plenty of room for you to pack your meals. Plus, it's made from organic cotton, so it's as sustainable as it is fun. If you're after a tote, check out the Fluf puffer tote. This is the moss color. This puffer tote is lightweight, roomy, and perfect for grocery runs, gym trips, or just about anything. It's the ultimate blend of style and function. Lastly, the Fluf box tote. This is in dark olive and it offers a structured design with a modern minimalist look. It's versatile and made for those on the go, whether you're heading to work, the market, or the park. Fluf bags are a fantastic choice for anyone who wants practical, eco-friendly options that still look great. Plus, Fluf is also 100% woman-owned and operated. Their products are all certified climate neutral, so you can feel good while you look good. Check out the links below to learn more about these products, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.